When the machine is switched on, you will notice some movement in the needle shaft. That is quite normal. It is also normal for the feed dogs to adjust themselves before you start sewing. To just get rid of this, I like to just press the reverse button once and that'll be done. Please don't be concerned about the flashing of the display over here. That is just the way the camera sees it, and there's nothing I can do to get rid of it. That's the way it's going to be. At the startup of the machine, the stitch type is default at 01. That is a straight stitch with the needle in the center. In this mode, stitch type can be changed. For example, let's go to 26. To see how wide the stitch is, select the next mode, which is stitch width. It is set to a default of 5 millimeters, but can be changed on the width side, narrower or wider. To change the length of the stitches, the next mode can be selected, which would be the length, can be shorter or longer. We'll talk a lot more about stitch types, widths, lengths, and all the other different settings that you can choose for stitches at the end of this section. For our exercise though, we want to go back to stitch mode, return to 01, which is your straight stitch. We want to see the length of the stitch, so 2 down and 2 millimeter long is perfect for our exercise.